Good morning. It's May the 21st, and it's a month since the last time I took you around my garden. So today, let's have another look and see how things are going. So there's the geraniums that overwintered. We put them in here. They're doing very well. And as we come around, there's the rhubarb now. I moved some raspberries in this little pot here. Evening primrose is coming up. Always getting a nice columbine. There's my clematis is taking off. And this columbine just sprung up, but it's going to be beautiful. And there's my peony bush. Okay, so we'll come along. These rhubarbs are also taken off. There's that Brussels sprout that I showed you, sprung up from last year's. These are daylilies. Lilac is just about ready to pop. This is my kale that has gone to flower and will be seeding. And we'll try to collect some seeds. And there's a bumblebee on my kale. How nice is that? Okay, so I planted some lettuce here. We'll see how that does. This is a couple of rows of beans, not tons, just to see how they do in the soil. Another bunch of lettuce. Strawberries are doing well, coming along. Lots of new growth. A couple more little varieties of lettuce here just popping up. The garlic looks great. So the potatoes have done very well. If we can get the focus, there it is. And there's the other batch of potatoes. They're looking good. This is radishes. Just a little experimental version. I want to see how they do here. This is some pumpkin seeds. And then my original tomatoes that I seeded, and they're barely alive, but maybe there's hope for them. These are some that I bought at the store. I think they're going to do better. So there's hope for those. Plus a few beans they seem to be taking, so that's encouraging. Pond looks good. The fish are happy. So that's all good. My iris is getting ready to blossom. That's always cool to see that. They're such beautiful flowers. And then we've got the raspberries, like I mentioned, coming alive very well, very healthy. Things are looking good there. And I've also got these three little starters. So that's all good. Yeah. So I'm encouraged. One last thing I wanted to show you was my little strawberry planter. Pretty excited about this. Yeah. Yeah, there's the strawberries. Yeah, lots of rich growth there. Can't wait. All right, see you next time.